It's a new 2026 Kia Sportage. This crossover was made to show off. Not only will you enjoy its agile handling, remarkably smooth ride, and exceptional acceleration, but the bold lines and striking features make a statement too. And get ready for an impressive combination of features. Inline 4-cylinder engine, front heated and ventilated bucket seats, integrated navigation system with voice activation, front and rear camera parking sensors, dual zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, streaming audio, hands-free liftgate, doors and push-button start proximity key, and automatic transmission. Kia, designed for fun, driven for thrills. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.